what your favorite animal is.
Have a look. I'll show you, Bim.
What animal's that?
A flamingo.
Wow, that flamingo looks like a very interesting animal.
It is, Bim.
Let's look at some more flamingo, Bam.
A flamingo.
A flamingo.